Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error that you get while trying to install Office. To get started, simply search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description, copy the first registry path from there, paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. This will take you to the Office key. Simply right click over it and delete it. Now go to the video description again, copy the second registry path, paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. Now once you are in the Office key, right click over it and delete it. Once done, close the Registry Editor. Then try to install Office, and this time you won't get any error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned for more such Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.